Have you ever stopped and asked, how much of what I know about the world is false? What if the facts we take for granted, things we repeat without question, are simply myths masquerading as truth? Tonight, we peel away the obvious to reveal secrets so strange they could rewrite your understanding of reality. Welcome to Wisdom Recapped. We live in a world where banana peels are seen as weak, the ocean is thought to be well mapped, and clouds feel fluffy and light. But dig deeper, and the world pulls off a mask. In this video, I'll show you 7 bizarre, mind-bending facts that clash with what you think you know. We'll contrast myths and truths, pull back the curtain on nature's illusions, and by the end, you may never trust your assumptions the same again. Fact 1. More trees than stars. You probably learned the Milky Way has billions of stars, and Earth has countless trees, both enormous numbers. But here's a twist. Earth is home to more trees than there are stars in our galaxy. Scientists estimate over 3 trillion trees on Earth, while the Milky Way holds perhaps 400 billion stars. 1. That means in the forest of our planet, life outnumbers light in the skies. This flips the narrative. The universe's majesty might be rooted beneath our feet. Fact 2. The oceans produce most of our oxygen. We often credit rainforests as the lungs of Earth. But the oceans, through phytoplankton and algae, generate more than half of the world's oxygen. Yes, the air you breathe owes more to microscopic marine creatures than to tropical jungles. When you imagine nature's breath, you're picturing oceans, not only trees. Fact 3. Clouds can weigh 1,000,000 pounds. Clouds look light and fluffy, soft pillows in the sky. In reality, an average cumulus cloud weighs over 1,000,000 pounds, about 500,000 kilograms. They're all that mass is suspended, held up by invisible currents. It's a floating ocean of water droplets. So the next time you look up and daydream under clouds, remember, you're staring at heavyweight giants gracefully drifting overhead. Fact 4. Lightning is hotter than the sun. Lightning strikes are more than dramatic. They're furious. A bolt of lightning can heat the air around it to 30,000 kelvins, about 53,540 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. 4. Earth may feel safe under a stormy sky, but when the bolt strikes, you're under the fury of cosmic heat. Myth says lightning is dangerous. Reality says it's a celestial inferno. Fact 5. The human body is host to more bacteria than cells. You are more microbial than you imagined. Our bodies carry more bacterial cells than our own human cells. Some estimates suggest a 10-to-1 ratio. 5. You're a walking ecosystem, teeming with life you barely see. The myth of the human body as a single organism fades when you realize you're inhabited by trillions of tiny companions, quietly managing digestion, immunity, and much more. Fact 6. Some planets literally rain. Diamonds out in deep space, Earth is tame. On some exotic planets, like the gas giants, conditions are so extreme that carbon condenses into diamond rain. 6. Imagine storms where crystal droplets fall from the sky. On Earth, we mine diamonds underground. Out there, they fall from air. The contrast is brutal. What we treasure as rare gems are weather in another world. Fact 7. Our stomach can dissolve razor blades. Your digestive system is far fiercer than your mind can imagine. The human stomach's acid has a pH between 1.0 and 2.0, strong enough to dissolve a razor blade in a few hours. 7. That means swallowed metal could vanish under the right conditions. The myth of swallow and you're doomed is weaker than the truth. Your stomach is a corrosive powerhouse. Fact 8. Hot water freezes faster than cold. This one sounds like a trick. Hotter water can freeze faster than cold water under certain conditions. This counterintuitive phenomenon is called the Mpemba effect. 8. Scientists still debate its exact cause, but it upends our intuition about temperature and state of matter. You might think cold water always freezes first, but that's not always true. You see the pattern? Every myth we hold onto, safe skies, gentle nature, orderly bodies, is shattered by facts that reveal chaos, power, and wonder. The world is stranger than our textbooks teach. Over time, nature, biology, and physics whisper secrets we ignore. So which fact shook you hardest? The rivers breathing life, the oceans giving us breath, clouds heavier than towers, or the devilish diamonds falling from alien skies? Drop your jaw-dropping moment in the comments. Share what you'll never believe again. If this video expanded your view of reality, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Because what you don't know can be far more magical than what you think you do.